Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. My name is Domnul Puzzle, or in English Mr. Puzzle, and today for the first time on this channel I will not do the portrait of a person, but I will do the portrait of a character. A character that is really dear to my heart, which I grew up with. I'll do the portrait of Naruto. So let's get to work because we have a lot to do, and God bless to not be any problems and for everything to go as intended. Let's get to work. Okay, the portrait is finished. I hope you enjoyed the result. I think it turned out really great, given the fact that it's my first portrait, not of a person but of a character. So yeah, I really enjoy how it turned out. It looks amazing. It looks beautiful. Also, if you want to help me, just share this video on social media and increase the chances of people seeing this work. Don't forget, if you want to buy a custom portrait, a video like this one, you can get one on my gig on Fiverr, link in the description below. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, my friends, and see you next video Thursday at 7 PM Romanian time. So bye bye!